Hey everyone, let's go ahead and walk through how to add a featured video to your Best Company profile. Today I will be using our demo account to explain how to do this. First, log into your Best Company account. Next, navigate to the company profile builder on the left. Scroll down just a little bit, and in the middle of the page you will see the featured company video section. Go ahead and click on that. You will want to have a video link copied, whether that's from YouTube, Vimeo, or an HTML. Go ahead and paste it here, and then click Save. When we go back to the company profile builder, you will notice that your video is pending. That is because changes may take up to 2 business days to be approved and published to your profile page. Now let's go ahead and refresh this page to see if our video has been approved. Perfect. You can see right here that the status has been changed from pending to approved. Next, to see the video featured on your profile page, open up a new tab, go to bestcompany.com and find your profile page. This is an example of a solar company who uses a featured video on their profile page. You can scroll down just a little bit and you'll see that their video is featured right at the top of their profile. If you ever want to change the video on your profile, go back to your Best Company account, back to the company profile builder, scroll down until you see the video, and then click the edit button. Go ahead and paste a new video link in, and then click Save. Hopefully this was helpful. Good luck adding a featured video to your profile page.